Hello, wonderful learners. Welcome back to English Connect, the podcast where learning English feels like chatting with friends. I am your host, Sophia.
Hi, Sophia. Hey, everyone. I'm Jason, and we've got something really fun and relaxed for you today.
We really do, Jason. You know what? Today is not about grammar rules or vocabulary lists. Today is about something even more important.
That's right. Today, we're just going to chat, like real friends do. This is daily English conversation practice at its best.
Exactly. We're going to talk about our weekends, share some funny stories, and show you how natural conversation flows in English.
This is so important because when you learn English, you need to hear how people actually talk, not just formal textbook English.
Yes, real conversations have pauses, reactions, questions, and stories. And that's exactly what we're doing today.
Before we jump in, if you're new here, welcome to the English Connect family. Please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our episodes.
Yes, please do. And if you enjoy our chat today, share it with someone who's also learning English. Let's grow together.
All right, Sophia, I'm ready to chat. Let's talk about our weekends.
Let's do this. So, Jason, how was your weekend?
My weekend? Well, it was interesting.
Interesting. That sounds mysterious. Tell me more.
Well, Saturday was a little bit difficult, actually.
Oh no, difficult? Why? What happened?
Okay, so this is embarrassing, but I lost my keys.
Oh no, you lost your keys? That's terrible.
Yes, my car keys, my house keys, all my keys, everything.
Jason, that is not good. Where did you lose them?
That's the problem. I didn't know. I had no idea where they were.
Oh dear, that must have been so stressful. So what did you do?
I looked everywhere. I mean, everywhere, Sophia.
Where did you look?
Okay, so first, I looked on the table. You know, the kitchen table where I usually put things.
And? Were they there?
Nope, no keys on the table.
Where else?
Then I checked my pockets, my pants pockets, my jacket pockets, nothing.
This is like a detective story.
I know, right? So then I looked in my bag, my work bag, no keys. I looked in the kitchen. I looked in the bathroom.
In the bathroom?
Yeah, I thought maybe I put them down somewhere weird. But no, still no keys.
Oh, Jason. So where were they? Did you find them?
Yes, I found them. But Sophia, you won't believe where they were.
Tell me. Don't keep me in suspense.
They were in the refrigerator.
The refrigerator? What?
I know. It's so silly.
Why were your keys in the refrigerator?
Well, I came home from the grocery store. I had milk in my hands and my keys in my hands. I put the milk in the refrigerator, and apparently I put my keys in there too.
Oh, Jason, that is hilarious.
I looked for 1 hour, Sophia, 1 whole hour. And the whole time my keys were just sitting there, getting colder and colder.
Your poor cold keys.
Right? So that was my Saturday adventure.
Well, I'm very happy you found them. At least they were safe in the fridge.
Me too. Although now I double-check before I close the refrigerator door.
That's a good idea.
So what about you, Sophia? How was your weekend?
My weekend was really lovely, actually. I visited my family on Saturday.
Oh, that's wonderful. Your mom and dad?
Yes, my mom, my dad, and my sister Anna. We had such a nice time together.
That sounds great. What did you do?
We cooked lunch together. It was so much fun.
Ooh, cooking. I love cooking. What did you make?
We made pasta, my absolute favorite.
Pasta. I love pasta too. What kind?
We made pasta with a big tomato sauce, with fresh tomatoes, garlic, basil. It was delicious.
That sounds amazing. And let me guess. Lots of cheese.
Of course, lots and lots of cheese. Cheese makes everything better.
I completely agree. Cheese is the best part of any pasta dish.
We ate together, we talked about everything, we laughed so much. It was just a perfect day with family.
That sounds so much better than my Saturday.
Well, you had an adventure. What about Sunday? What did you do then?
Sunday was much calmer. I stayed home and relaxed.
Sometimes that's exactly what we need.
Right? I watched a movie on TV.
Oh, a movie. What did you watch?
It was a comedy, a really funny movie.
I love funny movies. What was it about?
Okay, this is going to sound silly, but it was about a dog.
A dog? That's cute.
But not just any dog. It was a very big, funny dog, and this dog could talk.
The dog talked?
Yes, the dog talked. It was very silly, but it made me laugh so much.
That sounds wonderful. Sometimes we need silly movies to just relax and laugh.
Exactly. Do you have any pets, Sophia?
I don't have pets, actually. But I have something else.
Something else. What?
I have plants. Lots and lots of plants.
Plants? How many plants?
Many, many plants. My apartment is like a jungle.
A jungle? Really?
Yes, I have big plants, small plants, plants on the table, plants on the floor, plants by the window. Everywhere you look, plants.
Wow. That sounds beautiful and very green.
It is. I love it. It makes my home feel peaceful and alive.
Is it a lot of work to take care of them all?
Not really. I water them every Sunday. That's my Sunday routine.
So on Sunday, you stayed home and watered your jungle?
Exactly. And I also read a book.
Oh, what are you reading?
It's a story about a small town. It's very interesting. I'm really enjoying it.
That sounds like a perfect Sunday. Reading and taking care of your plants?
It was very relaxing. What about you, Jason? Do you have any pets?
I don't have a dog, but I have a cat.
A cat? Oh, what's your cat's name?
His name is Leo.
Leo. That's a great name. What does he look like?
He's all black, a beautiful black cat with big green eyes.
Oh, he sounds gorgeous.
He is, but Sophia, I have to tell you, Leo is very, very lazy.
Lazy?
Yes, he sleeps all day long.
Well, that's what cats do.
I know, but Leo takes it to another level. He sleeps on my sofa. Then he wakes up and moves to my bed. Then he sleeps on my chair. He wakes up, eats his food, and then goes right back to sleep.
He has a very good life.
He really does. But I love him anyway, even if he's the laziest cat in the world.
That's so sweet. So, what about this week? Are you busy?
Work is busy, as always, but I'm really excited about tonight.
Tonight? What's happening tonight?
I'm meeting my friend David for dinner.
Oh, I don't think I know David.
He is an old friend from school. We've been friends since we were kids.
That's so nice. Where are you going?
We're going to try a new pizza restaurant that just opened.
Ooh, a new restaurant. I love trying new places. And pizza, even better.
I know. I'm so excited. What kind of pizza do you like, Sophia?
I love cheese pizza, just simple with lots and lots of cheese.
Just cheese? Nothing else?
Nope, just cheese. Sometimes simple is best.
That's fair. I like pepperoni and mushrooms.
Oh, that's a good combination.
Yeah. Well, I'll tell you tomorrow if the restaurant is good.
Yes, please do. I want to know. What about next weekend? Do you have any plans?
Not really big plans. If the weather is nice, I think I want to go to the park.
The park! That's a lovely idea.
Yeah, the weather is beautiful now, sunny but not too hot. I want to walk around, see the autumn trees. They're so colorful right now.
Yes. Red, yellow, orange. Autumn is beautiful.
I might take a book and just sit and read in the park.
That sounds perfect and peaceful.
What about you? Plans for next weekend?
Actually, yes. I need to go shopping on Saturday.
Shopping? For what?
I need a new dress.
A new dress? Special occasion?
Yes. My friend is getting married next month.
Oh, wow, a wedding. That's exciting.
I know. I'm so happy for her. But I need to find the perfect dress.
What color are you thinking?
Maybe blue? I really like blue.
Blue is beautiful. I'm sure you'll find something perfect.
I hope so. Wish me luck.
Good luck, Sophia.
Wow, Jason, we really had a nice chat today.
We did, just like friends having coffee together.
And that's the goal, everyone. This is how English speakers really talk in daily life.
Exactly. Not formal, not scripted, just natural, friendly conversation.
So here's your challenge. We want you to practice.
Yes, leave us a comment and tell us, what did you do last weekend?
Maybe you cooked something delicious. Maybe you visited family. Maybe you lost your keys in the refrigerator.
Or tell us, what are your plans for next weekend? Are you going anywhere, doing anything special?
We love reading your comments and hearing your stories. It's great practice for you.
And if this episode helped you feel more comfortable with English conversation, please subscribe to English Connect.
Yes, and share it with your friends who are learning English. Help us grow this community.
Thank you all so much for joining our conversation today.
Remember, the more you listen to natural English, the more natural you'll sound.
Keep practicing, keep listening, and most importantly, don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Even if you put your keys in the refrigerator.
Hey, I'll never live that down.
Until next time, everyone, stay curious and keep learning.
Bye, everyone.
Goodbye.
Happy learning.